Hello everyone, welcome to Charisma. Today we'll learn how to make this awesome dream catcher. This dream catcher has a ring inside the main ring. To make this, you will need a ring and one more ring smaller than the main one. The very first step is to wrap the ring to give it a volume and a nice look. I'm using yarn here. You can use any thread or even fabric to wrap it. Similarly, wrap the second ring too. After this, bring the smaller ring to one side of the ring and using the same thread, wool or whatever you are using, tie it nicely. Time to weave the web. Take one end of the thread and tie it at the place where the rings are touching. It's important for a nice and smooth web. To make the knot, hold the thread in one hand and pass it under the ring and take it out to make a knot. You could see that I have used some shiny beads on the thread. It is completely optional and you can totally skip the beads if you don't want. Continue this way around the ring till you reach the other side of the ring. From here, we will trace back, catching the loops we made on the ring. If you are using beads like me, at this time you can drop one bead behind and go for making another knot using the next loop. Repeat this process till you reach the other end. When you have reached the end, give a gentle pull to the thread and tie it around the inner circle, making a knot. From here, trace all the way back again and at the end, tie the thread to the inner circle and keep repeating. The web is all ready now. I have hanged a little jewel piece here. You can see the glitter of the beads we have used. It looks even more beautiful when light falls on it. After adding the feathers, the dreamcatcher is ready. If you like this dreamcatcher, please try it and make one for yourself. If you liked my video, please hit the like button and show some love in the comment section. Please do check my other dreamcatcher videos too. And if you are new here, please take a moment to subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Happy dreaming!